Welcome. This tutorial is your guide to mastering elDoc's extended eSignature capabilities. Today, we'll guide you through mapping additional fields on your documents, including setting placeholders for stamps and attachments, ensuring a seamless sign-off process. The process begins with a familiar flow, as demonstrated in our previous tutorial: uploading the document, adding participants, defining recipient access, and incorporating necessary messages before moving on to field mapping. At the field mapping stage, users have the flexibility to add standard fields such as company name, title, automated timestamp, and signature, as well as extended fields like a selectable date stamp, free text for custom input, email field, a dedicated stamp placeholder for official approvals, and an attachment placeholder for supporting documents. Once mapping is complete, signers receive email notifications prompting them to review and sign. If OTP verification is enabled, authentication is required before accessing the document. The intuitive interface ensures a smooth experience, with mapped fields guiding signers effortlessly. Date formats standardize inputs, attachments are easily added, and stamps can be placed with a single click. Signers can even personalize their eSignature with initials for added authenticity. elDoc effortlessly combines efficiency and flexibility, enhancing your document signing workflow. Start your journey with elDoc, where simplicity meets versatility.